Looking for the best OBD2 scanner in 2026, but not sure which one fits your needs or your budget? In this video, we're ranking some of the best car diagnostic scanners of 2026, from the most affordable option all the way to the top-tier flagship models. Whether you're a DIY car owner, a mobile mechanic, or running a full professional workshop, this list will help you find the right scanner for the job. Let's get into it. First up, we have the XTOOL A30M. If you want something affordable, compact, and easy to use, the A30M is a very solid starting point. It gives you all system diagnostics, bidirectional control, reset functions, CANFD support, and works with Android and iOS. Price-wise, depending on the dealer, this one usually sits in the budget range at around $150 to $250. That makes it a great fit for DIY users, smaller garages, or anyone who wants strong value without spending big. Next is the Autel MX900. This is where things start to feel more professional. The MX900 gives you all system diagnostics, 40-plus service functions, more than 3,000 active tests, plus CANFD, DOIP, and FCA access. Dealer pricing usually lands around $480 to $650, depending on promotions and region. Public listings currently show examples in roughly that band. So, if you want a scanner that goes well beyond basic code reading and gives you real workshop-level capability at a reasonable price, the MX900 is a strong choice. Moving up, we have the TOPDON Phoenix Lite 3. This one is built for users who want a more advanced diagnostic platform, especially with topology mapping, bidirectional controls, CANFD support, FCA gateway access, and maintenance functions. Depending on the dealer and package, this usually falls around $950 to $1,300. Public listings show it near the low end of that range. It's a smart option for growing workshops that want more power without stepping straight into flagship pricing. Now let's step into the advanced category with the THINKTOOL Expert 391. This is a much more serious workshop scanner, built for broad vehicle coverage and advanced online programming. It supports passenger vehicles, EV coverage with the right package, and even heavy-duty expansion. Dealer pricing on this one can vary a lot depending on bundle and market, but a realistic range is usually around $2,500 to $3,500. Current public listings show examples near $2,999. If your shop handles a wide variety of vehicles and you want stronger diagnostic depth, this is a major step up. Next is the Autel MaxiSys MS909S2. This is a high-end professional scanner designed for advanced technicians who need deeper data, faster workflow, intelligent diagnostics, and strong repair support. It brings AI-powered diagnostics, topology 3.0, advanced analysis, multi-point DVI, and broad vehicle coverage. Depending on the dealer, region, and included package, this one generally runs around $3,300 to $4,800. Public listings currently show examples within that range. The MS909S2 is built for busy professional shops that need real high-level diagnostic performance. And finally, at the top of the list, we have the Autel MaxiSys Ultra S2. This is the flagship. The Ultra S2 is made for top-level diagnostic work and serious workshop environments where speed, coverage, EV capability, and advanced communication matter most. You get AI diagnostics, the upgraded 6-in-1 VCMI2, topology 3.0, EV tests, Wi-Fi 6, 48-plus services, multi-point DVI, motor true speed repair, and ECU programming. Dealer pricing usually places this in the premium flagship range at about $5,400 to $6,500, depending on market and bundle. Public listings currently show examples in that range. So, which scanner is right for you? If you want something affordable and practical, the XTOOL A30M is a great entry point. If you want solid workshop performance without going too high on price, The Autel MX900 and TOPDON Phoenix Lite 3 are excellent mid-range choices. If you need more advanced programming and broader vehicle support, the ThinkTOOL Expert 391 is a strong professional option. And if you want top-tier diagnostic power, the Autel MS909S2 and especially the Ultra S2 are built for serious professional use. At the end of the day, the best scanner depends on your budget, the type of vehicles you work on, and how deep you need to go into diagnostics, programming, and service functions. And remember, pricing always depends on the dealer, the country, the included accessories, and whether updates or add-ons are bundled in. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which scanner you'd choose in 2026.